Just installed R and R Studio? Awesome! Let's now take your first real step into R programming. In this video, we're diving into vectors and matrices, the foundation of most data operations in R. You'll learn what they are, how to create them, manipulate them, and even do quick calculations. Let's make R work for you. In R, a vector is the most basic data structure. Think of it like a single row or column of data. It can hold numbers, characters, or logical values, but only one type at a time. We use the C function, short for combine, to create vectors. Just list your elements inside it. Notice how each vector only contains one type: numbers, text, or true or false values. Vectors in R are powerful. You can do math directly on them, no loops needed. When you add or multiply vectors, R performs element-wise operations, and you can even filter with conditions like a greater than 15, returns only the elements greater than 15. Now let's level up. A matrix is just a 2D version of a vector. It has rows and columns, but still just one data type. Here 1 is to 6 fills the matrix with numbers, and we arrange it into 2 rows and 3 columns. R fills the matrix column-wise by default, top to bottom, then moves right. You can do math with matrices just like vectors. Plus you can access specific elements, rows, or columns, as shown. Here M12 gives the element in the first row and second column. Leave a row or column blank to select the whole thing, and just like vectors, matrix math is simple. Add, subtract, multiply, and even transpose. R handles the details. So now you know how to create and work with vectors and matrices, two essential tools in R. In the next video, we'll explore data frames, which allow mixing different types of data just like a real spreadsheet. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions. Let's keep learning R together step by step.